Howdy folks, Jody Marler with Fishcamp, and today I want to show you a sneak peek of our 2019 Parade of Homes entry. So we're in Paradise Valley, Livingston, Montana. This property is located on the Yellowstone River. The views here are just amazing. It's a beautiful setting. They've got a lot of little cabins around. So we met these folks a couple years ago at a Parade of Homes house that we had, and they called us for a kitchen on an existing home they had. After we got into it, we just decided, let's completely redo the house. So it's more of a transformation than a remodel because every wall in here was touched. So these are the rooms that we have basically transformed. We've used a lot of reclaimed here, a lot of details that we worked out. The exterior, we've got a lot of logs, we've got reclaimed trusses that we built, natural stone, blacksmith work, our custom cabinetry, reclaimed doors that we built. There's a lot to see. Hope you enjoyed the sneak peek and look forward to seeing you over these next couple of weekends. Thanks for watching.